Good morning, students of grade 9. This is our lesson number 11, and it's a poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers by Emily Dickinson. In the previous lesson, what we did, we read the paraphrasing, we did the stanzas, everything. Now we are going to start the question answers, and we are starting the first one, that is, what is the implicit and explicit meaning of the poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers? Now, first of all, you should know what is the meaning of implicit and explicit, right? Implicit means implied, indirectly, or not explained or shown openly, right? Explicit means when we directly show or explain something. So the implicit meaning of the poem is that the birds sing a song of hope without words. It does not demand any reward. It always sings a never-ending song. Now we did they did not. The poetess did not explain this hope directly here. Now the explicit meaning, we are coming to the direct meaning. The explicit meaning of the poem is that hope is the source of progress. Hope is compared with the thing with feathers. The poet mean to say that hope gives us liveliness in the world. One should never lose hope in any condition. Now come to the next question. It's question number 2. What is the theme of the poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers? Theme, the main idea, right? So the theme of the poem is hope. One should always be positive and should think high for the better time to come. Time never stops. There should always be a hope of better days. This miracle of hope does not fail in any condition. Hope is always there with the gloomy hearts. Now, question number 3. How does the bird react to the hardships in the poem Hope is the Thing with Feathers? You might have seen that the birds, they are never afraid of the bad weather conditions. They are always flying high, even in the stormy weather, even in the rain, in every circumstance. They fly high up in the sky. Now the answer is, the poetess uses the word bird as a metaphor for hope. The bird reacts very nicely to the bad weather condition. It is always contented to hardships. The bird always soars high in the worst weather condition, and this all is because it never gives up and always hopes for the best, right? Now your homework time. And what is your homework? Your homework is to do these question answers in your neat notebooks, right? Thank you so much.